m plus n equal to 5m minus n, or 4m equal to 2n, or m by n equal to 2 by 4, that means half, and this will be also m by n equal to half. So m is to n equal to 1 is to 2, that means the ratio is 1 is to 2. Okay. Hi, welcome back to our channel AnganaStudyCenter. In previous class we have done up to exercise 9 of miscellaneous example exercise of chapter 9, that means straight line. Okay, today we will do the rest question of the miscellaneous exercise. So let's start our class. Just look at this question. Find the equation of the line passing through 3, 2 which makes an angle 45 degree with the line x minus 2y equal to 3. So just imagine this is the line x minus 2y equal to 3 and makes an angle theta. This is the required line. Okay, so this is the line x minus 2y equal to 3, or 2y equal to x minus 3, or y equal to half of x minus 3 by 2. So slope equal to half. Let this is m1. Okay, and let the slope of the required line is m2. Okay, so this line makes an angle theta with that line. So we know that formula, tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, so here tan theta equal to tan 45, that means tan 45 equal to mod of m2 minus m1 equal to half. So just write here half and 1 plus m2 by half. Okay, or 1 equal to 2 m2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus m2. Okay, so by this we can get two cases. Case 1, either 2 m2 minus 1 equal to 2 plus m2, okay, or m2 equal to 3, or case 2, minus of 2 m2 plus 1 equal to 2 plus m2, okay, or 3 m2 equal to minus 1, okay, or m2 equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so we get two values of m2, that means the slope. So the equation will be the line passing through, the first equation will be passing through 3, 2, that means y minus 2 equal to m2 into x minus 3. This is equation 1, and equation 2 will be y minus 2 equal to minus of 1 by 3 into x minus 3. Okay, just solve this, simplify this, you get the equation of the line. Okay, clear? Now just look at this question. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 4x minus plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0 and 2x plus minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. That means simply solve these two equations, you get the intersecting point, and okay, and has equal intercept on axis. So the intercept form of a straight line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Here the line makes equal intercept, that means a equal to b. So the equation of the line is x by a plus y by a as equal intercept, so equal to 1. Okay, and passing through the point of intercept. Okay, so just solve this equation. So 4x plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0, and just multiply 2 with this, so we get 4x minus 6y plus 2 equal to 0. Just minus, subtract both, we get plus, this is minus. Okay, so 4x minus 4x will be cancelled out, and here we get 13y minus 5 equal to 0, or y equal to 5 by 13. So now putting the value of y in equation 1 or 2, I put here in 2, 2x equal to 3y minus 1, or 3 into y equal to 5 by 13 minus 1. So we get 15 minus 13 by 13, that means 2 by 13, or x equal to 1 by 13. So the point of intersecting is, therefore the point of intersect is 1 by 13 comma 5 by 13. So therefore the equation of the line it is passing through this intercept point. So just put here the value of xy, you get a. So just putting here 1 by 13a plus 5 by 13a equal to 1, or 13a equal to 6 implies a equal to 6 by 13. So the equation will be x mean x a equal to 6 by 13 plus y by 6 by 13 equal to 1, or 13x plus 13y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay, look at this question. So that the equation of the line passing through the origin and makes an angle theta with the line y is equal to mx plus c is y by x equal to m plus minus tan theta divided by 1 plus minus m tan theta. Okay, so here given line is y is equal to mx plus c, here slope equal to m. Okay, let the slope of required line m1. Okay, so we know theta is the angle between them, so tan theta equal to mod of m2 minus m1, that means here this is m2, m minus m1, okay, divided by 1 plus m dot m1. Okay, so here two case will be arise, tan theta equal to m minus m1 divided by 1 plus m dot m1. Okay, so by here we can write tan theta plus m1 tan theta plus m1 equal to m, or m1 equal to m minus tan theta divided by 1 plus m tan theta. Okay, this is case 1, and case 2 we can write tan theta equal to minus of m plus m1 divided by 1 plus m1, or tan theta plus m1 tan theta minus m1 equal to minus m, or m1 into minus m1 if we common, then 1 minus m tan theta equal to minus of m plus tan theta. Okay, or minus minus will be cancelled out, and m1 equal to m plus tan theta divided by 1 minus m tan theta. So just look here, m1 equal to m minus tan theta divided by 1 plus m tan theta, and m1 equal to m plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. By these two we can write, I am moving here, m1 equal to plus minus m plus minus tan theta divided by 1 plus minus m tan theta. Okay, so we get the slope of that required line. Okay, so as that line is passing through origin, so the equation will be y minus 0 equal to m1 into x minus 0. Okay, so y equal to m1 equal to m plus minus tan theta divided by 1 plus minus m tan theta into x, just write here y by x equal to m plus minus tan theta divided by 1 plus minus m tan theta. Proved. Okay, now look at this question. In what ratio the line joining minus 1 1 and 5 7 is divided by the line x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So just imagine this is the point minus 1 1 and this is 5 7, and this is the line x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so divide here, let divide internally m is to n ratio at the point r. Okay, so if we find the point of intersection, that will be the coordinate of r. So first the equation of the line passing through minus 1 1 and 5 7 is y minus y1 equal to 1. Here m equal to y2 minus y1, that means 7 minus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 into x minus plus 1. Okay, so that will be y minus 1 equal to 6 by 6 into x plus 1. That means, or x minus y plus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the required line. So, and we have already x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the that line. Okay, so by solving this we get the intercept point. That means here plus y minus y will be cancelled out, and 2x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 1. So just putting here the value of x in 1, we get 1 plus 3 y equal to 3. So the point of intersection is 1 comma 3. Okay, so the coordinate of r is 1 comma 3. We know the formula. If a point divide a line segment in internally in m is to n ratio, then the coordinate of that point will be mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So let the line divided in m is to n ratio. Okay, therefore we can write the coordinate of r, this is okay. So here 1 equal to mx2, mx2 mean this is, that mean into 5 plus nx1, that mean n into minus 1 divided by m plus n. Okay, and 3 equal to my2, y2 means 7 plus ny1, that means n into 1 divided by m plus n. Okay, or if we cross multiply this, m plus n equal to 5m minus n, or 4m equal to 2n, or m by n equal to 2 by 4, that means half, and this will be also m by n equal to half. So m is to n equal to 1 is to 2, that means the ratio is 1 is to 2. Okay, then look at this question. Find the distance of the line 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 from the point 1 comma 2 along with the line 2x minus y equal to 0. If there is this type of question, we have exercise in example. Okay, just think this is 2x minus y equal to 0, and this is 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. So this is the intersecting point, and here let 1 comma 2. So this distance is required. Okay, so we first solve the equation. Okay, and then find out the distance between that. So the intersecting point will be what? Just solve this, that means 4x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0, and just multiply 2 with this, we get 4x minus 2y equal to 0. Okay, so if we minus this plus, so this will be cancelled out here, 9y equal to minus 5, so y equal to minus 5 by 9. Okay, so we get y, just putting the value of y here, we get x. Therefore x equal to y by 2, that means minus 5 by 18. Okay, so the point of intersecting point will be minus 5 by 18 comma minus 5 by 9. So the distance between this point and this will be the required distance. Therefore the required distance is root of x2 minus x1, that means 1 minus, that means that will be plus 5 by 18 square plus y2 minus y1, that means 2 minus, that means that will be plus 5 by 9 whole square. Okay, that means 23 by 18 whole square plus 23 by 9 whole square. Okay, so that will be 23 square by 18 square plus 23 square by 9 square. Just solve that. Okay, it will be, if we common 23, that will be come out, and here will be 1 by 324 plus 1 by 81. So here will be 23 root of, here 324, here 1 plus 4, that means that will be 23 by 18, and here will be root 5 unit. Okay, just look at this question. Find the direction of the direction in which a straight line must be drawn through -1, 2, so that its point of intersection with the line may be at a distance at 3 unit from this point. So this type of example here just opposite. Okay, so let the equation of the line is y minus 2 as passing through this point. So we write y minus 2 equal to m x plus 1, where m is the slope of the line. Okay, from here we can write mx plus m minus y plus 2 equal to 0, or mx minus y plus m plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, and here we have also this line, that means this plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, by solving that we get the intersecting point, that means this will be cancelled out. So here 1 plus m and here 2 minus m. Okay, or x equal to 2 minus m divided by 1 plus m. Now putting this value of x in this equation, we get the value of y. Therefore, y equal to 4 minus x, that means 4 minus 2 minus m divided by 1 plus m. So here we get 4 plus 4m minus 2 plus m by 1 plus m, that means 2 plus 5m divided by 1 plus m. Therefore, the intersecting point is 2 minus m, 1 plus m, 2 plus 5m divided by 1 plus m. Okay, so distance between this point of intersection and this point will be 3. Therefore, according to the condition, we have root over x2 minus x1, that means 2 minus m divided by 1 plus m plus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 5m divided by 1 plus m minus 2 whole square equal to 3. Just squaring both sides, we get here 2 minus m plus 1 plus m divided by 1 plus m whole square plus 2 plus 5m minus 2 minus 2m divided by 1 plus m whole square equal to 9. Okay, or from here we get 3 square divided by 1 plus m square plus here 9m square divided by 1 plus m square 1 plus m whole square equal to 9, or 9 will be cancelled out. Therefore, 1 plus 2m plus m square equal to 1 plus m square. Okay, so m square and 1 will be cancelled out, or m equal to 0. Okay, so the equation of the line is y minus 2 equal to 0, that is parallel to x axis. Okay, clear? Then look at this question. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle has its end 1, 3 and minus 4, 1. Find the equation of the legs of the perpendicular side of the triangle which is parallel to the axis. Okay, so this is the right angle triangle and the end is 1, 3 here minus 4, 1. Okay, so this is the perpendicular and the legs are this point. Okay, so let ABC, this is the right angle triangle. Okay, so this leg, equation of BC, the equation of BC passing through 1, 3 and parallel to x axis. If this is parallel to x axis, that means is y equal to 3. Okay, and the other leg, that means that is parallel to y axis. That means the other leg passing through (1, 3) and parallel to parallel to x axis, y axis, equation is x equal to 1. Okay, and the equation of AB passing through -4, 1 and parallel to x axis, equation is y equal to 1, and the other leg passing through -4, 1 and parallel to y axis, equation is x equal to -4. So here we get two conditions. Okay, either x equal to 1 or y equal to 1, otherwise x equal to -4 or y equal to 3. So the equation of the line either x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 or x equal to -4, y equal to 3. Okay, clear? Look at this question. Find the image of the point 38 with respect to the line x plus 3y equal to 7, assuming the line is plane mirror. So just think, this is the line x plus 3y equal to 7. Okay, and here is a point 3, 8. Let this is the P point. Okay, so if this is a mirror, then the image of P, let P dash, okay, will be here. And if we join this line, this is a bisector, that means PPQ, let this is the HK, okay, coordinate. And this PP dash is perpendicular to this line. So given line is x plus 3y equal to 7 or y equal to minus x minus 1 by 3x plus 7 by 3. Therefore slope is equal to minus 1 by 3, as PP dash perpendicular to this line. So slope of PP dash equal to 3. Okay, that means minus 1 by 3, that means 3. So the equation of PP dash through this point, the equation of PP dash equal to y minus y1 equal to 8 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, this is equation 1. Now the point of this is the midpoint, as P dash is the image of P. So the distance of, let R is the point. So PR equal to RP dash. Okay, so therefore the midpoint coordinate is, sorry, this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. Okay, coordinate is 3 plus h by 2 comma 8 plus k by 2. So by this point two lines are passing through, so we can write, just putting this value in equation 1 and equation 2, we get 3 plus h by 2 plus 3 into 8 plus k by 2 equal to 7, or just simplify this, 3 plus h plus 24 plus 3k equal to 14, or h plus 3k plus 13 equal to 0. This is equation 3, and just putting here we get 8 plus k by 2 minus 8 equal to 3 into 3 plus h by 2 minus 3. Just simplify this, 8 plus k minus 16 divided by 2 equal to 3 into 3 plus h minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, so 2 will be cancelled out. So just simplify this, we get k minus 8 equal to 9 plus 3h, 3h minus 9. Okay, or 3h minus k minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation 4. Just multiply this with 3 and solving with this, we get 9h minus 3k minus 3 equal to 0. Just solve this, this will be cancelled out. Therefore 10h equal to 10 minus 10, or h equal to minus 1. Just put the value of h here, we get k. Therefore k equal to minus of 3 minus 1, that means equal to minus 4. So the coordinate of P dash equal to minus 1 comma minus 4. This is the image of 3, 8. Okay, clear? Now look at this question. If the lines y is equal to 3x plus 1 and 2y equal to x plus 3 equally inclined with the line y is equal to mx plus 4, find the value of m. So let this is y is equal to mx plus 4. Okay, so this is the theta, that means angle between them. Here let this is y is equal to 3x plus 1, and also here this is also theta, here 2y is equal to x plus 3. Okay, so we can write, let theta be the inclination of the line. Okay, so therefore tan theta equal to, we know with the first line with this we get here m equal to 3, that means 3 minus m divided by m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, that means 3m. Okay, and this is equation 1, and also tan theta equal to, from this line here m equal to 1 by 2, that means 1 by 2 minus m by 1 plus m by 2. This is equation 2. Okay, so we can write this as mod of 3 minus m divided by 1 plus 3m equal to mod of half minus m divided by 1 plus m by 2. Okay, so just simplify this, 3 minus m 1 plus 3m within mod equal to 1 minus 2m divided by 2 plus m. Okay, so here two cases may be arise. Case 1. Okay, here if we take 3 by m by 1 plus 3m equal to 1 minus 2m divided by 2 plus m, and case 2 will be, I am moving here, case 2 will be 3 minus m divided by 1 plus 3m equal to minus of 1 plus 2m divided by 2 plus m. Just solving this, we get 6 minus 2m plus 3m minus m square equal to 1 minus 2m plus 3m minus 6m square. Okay, or 5m square. By moving every part, we get here plus m and here plus m, that will be cancelled out. Okay, and here 6 minus 1 plus 5 equal to 0, implies m square equal to minus 1. That is not possible. This is the imaginary number, and by solving this we get 6 minus 2m plus 3m minus m square equal to minus 1 plus 2m minus 3m plus 6m square. Okay, so here we get, or 7m square minus m, that means here plus m, here minus m, that means minus 2m. Okay, and here minus 1 minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so m equal to minus b, that means 2 plus minus root b square, that means 4 minus 4ac, that means plus 4 dot a equal to 7, c equal to minus 7, that means that will be plus 4 into 49 divided by 2a, that means 14. So if we common 4 from this and divide 2 by both, 1 plus minus root over 1 plus 49 divided by 7. So that will be 1 plus minus root 50. Root 50 equal to 5 into 5 into 2 within root. So 5 root 2, 5 root 2 divided by 7. Okay, that will be the value of m. Clear? Then look at this question. If the sum of the perpendicular distance of a variable point phi xy from the line x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0 is always 10. Okay, so the sum of the perpendicular distance of a point from these two lines equal to 0. So here the point pxy. So the perpendicular distance from this line is mod of x plus y minus 5 divided by root of 2. Okay, plus mod of here 3x minus 2y plus 7 divided by 9 plus 4 equal to 10. Okay, so there must be some case. Case 1 may be x plus y minus 5 divided by root 2 plus 3x minus 2y plus 7 divided by root over 13 equal to 10. Case 2 may be minus of x minus of y plus 5 divided by root 2 plus here 3x minus 2y plus 7 divided by root 13 equal to 10. Case 3, here x plus y minus 5 root 2 plus minus of 3x plus 2y minus 7 divided by 13 equal to 10. Okay, or case 4 equal to minus of x minus y plus 5 when both are minus, that means this is plus minus of 3x plus 2y minus 7 divided by 13 equal to 10. Okay, if you solve all of this, this is your homework and I do this. Okay, so that will be or root 26 and here root 13 into x plus y minus 5, and here root 2 3x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 10. So just multiply this, root 13x plus root 13y minus 5 root 13 plus 3 root 2x minus 2 root 2y plus 7 root 2 equal to 10 root 26. Okay, or if we common x, so root 13 plus 3 root 2 into x plus y into root 13 minus 2 root 2 equal to 10 root 26 plus 5 root 13 minus 7 root 2. This is a equation of a straight line, and all of this, if you solve all of this equation, you get this type of equation. Okay. So we can say the point must move on a straight line. Just look at this question. Find the equation of the line which is equidistant from parallel line 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. So here is a parallel line 7 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. If we, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If we multiply with 2, we get 9x plus 6y, 9x plus 6y. Sorry, if we multiply with 3, 9x plus 6y plus 18 equal to 0. So just look, 1 and 3, these are parallel line. So these are the parallel line, and here is the required parallel line, and this is equidistant. Let this is x and this is also x. Okay, so therefore the equation of the required line equal to, we can write 9x plus 6y plus c equal to 0. This is equation 4. Okay, so as it is equidistant, so the distance from the first line to this line equal to, therefore according to the condition, mod of c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square. So here c minus, here c2 equal to minus 7, that means that will be plus 7 divided by root of here 9 square plus 6 square. Okay, equal to, as it is equidistant, so the distance from this line will be equal. So here c minus 18 divided by 9 square plus 6 square. Okay, so here two case will be arrived, c plus 7 equal to c minus 18, and this is not possible, c will be cancelled out, so this is not possible. And case 2 will be c plus 7 equal to minus c plus 18, or 2c equal to 11, or c equal to 11 by 2. So the equation of the straight line is just putting here the value of c, that means 11 by 2. So 9x plus 6y plus 11 by 2 equal to 0, or just simplify 18x plus 12y plus 11 equal to 0. That will be your answer. Okay. Then look at this question. A ray of light passing through the point 1, 2 reflect and on x-axis at a point, and reflected ray passes through the point 5, 3. Find the coordinate of A. So just look here. This is the coordinate plane, and let this is the ray and passing through 1, 2 and reflected on the x-axis, it is reflect on A. So the coordinate of A will be a, 0. Let, okay, this is the x-axis and this is the y. So if we draw the perpendicular, that means that will be parallel to y-axis. So let this is the P ray and this is Q ray. Okay, so let this angle is theta. Okay, so let angle QAX equal to theta. Okay, and YAX equal to 90, we know. YAX equal to 90. Okay, now what will be this angle? So therefore YAQ equal to angle YAX minus of QAX, that means 90 minus theta. Okay, so that will be the 90 minus theta. Okay, now this angle as the angle of inclination is equal to the angle of deflection, we know. So that angle will be 90 minus theta. Okay, so angle PAY equal to 90 minus theta. Okay, now the total angle, that means PAX equal to sum of these and this. So theta plus 90 minus theta plus 90 minus theta. Okay, plus theta minus theta will be cancelled out. So therefore 180 minus theta. Okay, so now PAX equal to 180 minus theta. Okay, therefore slope of PA equal to here tan of 180 minus theta. Okay, that means minus tan theta equal to here, just imagine this point, y2 minus y1, that means minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, that means x a minus 1. This is equation 1. And slope of QA equal to tan theta, that means y2 minus y1, that means this is passing through 5 3, that means minus 3 divided by a minus 5. Okay, so this is equation 2. So if we write minus tan theta equal to minus of 2 a minus 1, okay, or tan theta equal to 2 by a minus 1. Okay, now tan theta equal to, we have minus 3 by a, therefore we can write minus 3 by a minus 5 equal to 2 by a minus 1, or minus 3a plus 3 equal to 2a minus 10, or 5a equal to 13. Therefore a equal to 13 by 5. So the coordinate of a equal to 13 by 5 comma 0. Okay, then look at this question. Prove that the product of the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point root over a square minus b square comma 0 and minus root over a square minus b square comma 0 to the line x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. So from this point the perpendicular distance will be mod of, here the coefficient of x equal to cos by a, cos theta by a. Okay, a x1, that means root over a square minus b square plus b y1, that means 0, and c equal to minus 1. Okay, divided by cos theta by a whole square plus sin theta by b whole square. Okay, into the perpendicular distance from this point to this equal to mod of x1, that means cos theta by a into minus of root a square minus b square, and the b square term will be 0 and here minus 1. Okay, root over cos theta by a whole square plus sin theta by b whole square. Okay, so what will be the value of this? Just look here, root of a square minus b square cos theta divided by a minus 1 within mod, this is into mod of minus cos theta root over a square minus b square divided by a, and this is minus 1. Okay, and divided by, this will be cos square theta by a square plus sin square theta by b square. Okay, so this will be cos theta, there will be two cases. Case 1, cos theta root a square minus b square minus a divided by a into minus of cos theta root over a square minus b square, sorry, if we remove mod, we get cos of this, and this will be plus a by a, okay, divided by b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta divided by a square b square, okay. So just look here, this will be cos square theta into a square minus b square minus a square divided by b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, and here will be b square, okay. So minus b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, okay. Okay, and here also b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, that will be cancelled out, so the minus b square, and other case 2, that will be, so the distance will be, this is the line and this is the point and this is the negative, so this is also b square and this is also b square, that will be your answer, okay. Just look at this question. A person standing at the junction of two straight paths represented by two equations. Okay. So let this is the two path and this is the junction, that means the intersection point. Okay. Here the lines are 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, and this line is 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. And he wants to reach the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y. Let this is the path 6x minus 7y plus 7 equal to 0. He want to reach this place, okay, and in least time, that means if he goes straightly, that means let this is P and this is Q, okay. So this PQ will be perpendicular to this, okay. So and the coordinate of junction, the intersecting point between them, okay. So if we solve these two equations, we get the intersecting point, that means the place of standing of the man, okay. So 3x plus 4y, so we have 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, this is equation 1, and 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, this is equation 2. Now multiply this with 2 and this with 3 and solve them. So we have 6x plus 8y minus 10 equal to 0 and 6x minus 9y plus 12 equal to 0. By solve this, we get, this will be cancelled out, and here 17y equal to 22 or y equal to 22 by 17. And putting the value of y in equation 2, we get the value of x. Therefore, x equal to 3y minus 4 divided by 2. Therefore, 66 by 17 minus 4 by 2. So that will be 66 minus 68 divided by 34. That means minus 2 by 34. That means minus 1 by 17. So the coordinate of Q is minus 1 by 17, comma 22 by 17. Okay. So the this PQ is passing through this point and perpendicular to this. So the slope of 6x minus 7y plus 7 equal to 0 is, what is the slope? Here 6 by 7. So the slope of PQ is minus 7 by 6. So equation of PQ is y minus 22 by 17 as passing through this point equal to minus 7 by 6 x plus 1 by 17. Okay. So by solving this, we get 17 y minus 22 into 6 plus 7 into 17x plus 1 equal to 0, or plus 102y minus 132 plus 7 equal to 0, or 119x plus 102y minus 125 equal to 0. That will be the equation of the line. Okay. So that's all for today's class. We have covered all of the exercise of miscellaneous exercise of straight line. Okay. So just practice all of this we have covered in this class. If any difficulties arise, then comment in our comment box. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching our video.